Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili keyless, full guide. Begin by defining your flavor profile and desired heat level, then gather ingredients and tools. Work methodically through searing, layering spices, and slow simmering to build depth. Keep a tasting plan and adjust salt, acid, and heat as you go. Finish with proper cooling, storage, and service suggestions so your chili stays safe and flavorful for later meals. Begin by selecting proteins, beans, and canned or fresh tomatoes that suit your style, and pick spices that complement heat versus smokiness. Chop aromatics uniformly for even cooking and toast whole spices briefly to release oils. Organize ingredients by use order to avoid pauses while cooking. Use measured spice blends and keep backups to tweak taste during simmering. This prep saves time and prevents overcooking or underseasoning as you progress through the recipe. Start by searing meat in a hot pan to create fond that adds rich flavor, then deglaze with liquid to lift those brown bits. Add spices progressively, whole or toasted early, ground later to preserve brightness. Cook low and slow to let collagen break down and flavors marry without reducing too hard. Taste periodically and adjust salt, acidity, and heat. Finish with fresh herbs or acid to brighten the final bowl before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.